Thank you. Thanks for acknowledging the crucial role of pastoral support officers across Wales in identifying and supporting our young people who sometimes don't recognise that they even need our help. I'd like to draw attention to 4 incredible individuals who I've worked with over the past 4 years. Katie Scoble, Anthony Brown, Joshua Clayton and Rebecca Holmes. Colleagues I've worked really closely with, and any of whom could be up here right now because they always put children first. Miss Lamb, Miss Beer and Mr Batten, they were there at my interview. They gave me the opportunity to become part of the Bassaleg community. And from the moment I stepped through the door, they made me feel special and valued, so thank you. I'd like to thank all the staff at Bassaleg School for their professionalism, their commitment and their respect. We care together at Bassaleg, so this is for all of us. Most importantly, I'd like to thank the amazing children at Bassaleg School. You brighten my day every day. Thanks for trusting me enough to share your stories, your feelings and your worries, and for inspiring me with your strength, your resilience and your bravery. I'm truly in awe. Thanks so much. Thank you.